Welcome to Boat Shop Tour number 3. As we move forward, we're going to talk about this ChrisCraft that I did about 4 years ago. It's a Continental, biggest runabout ChrisCraft made. So what made me fall in love with ChrisCraft is these Continentals. They're just a beautiful boat. Love the lines. This boat was built in 1957 and shipped to Pompano Beach, Florida. As you can see that over here in this corner. And as I move up over here, originally was had twin gray marine engines in it, 150 horse. Long gone when I got it. It had Chevy 327s in it. Unfortunately, they were both frozen broke, and I replaced those with Chevy 350s along the process. A lot of chrome, like most of them, was missing. Had to dig it out. These windshields were built, custom made just for these Continentals, these 26 footers, and they're hard to find. Unfortunately, this one was missing a windshield. Had to buy this in pieces, and some of it I had to have made. Turned out pretty well though. And you just got to move forward and do what you got to do and make it all happen. As you can see, these lines are just absolutely beautiful. I love them. And you know, the other neat part is just the dimensions of this boat. I mean, as you look in the back seat here, you get a full bench all the way across the back. As I pan around, you can see the twin engine boxes. Then you got the 4 captains up front. Makes it really nice. These seats are big enough that you can darn near get 2 people in each one, especially if they're kids. Adults, you can definitely get cozy. Anyway, during the process, I ended up having to get a whole new set of gauges, upgraded all the wiring, rebuilt transmissions, new props, and cleaned up the rudders and put it all together, and here we have it. Hope you guys are enjoying all these different segments I'm doing. A lot of hard work and a lot of time goes into these, but it is my passion and my love. Hope you enjoyed it. Thank you.